them down?
Hydrant. I don't know. I don't think we're in a hydrant area.
Okay.
I'll do it. I don't know what we're doing.
I don't think we have.
Cambridge 261, command 26. Cambridge 261. We are patient up here on oxygen. The only concern I have is if you get up here, you won't get back out. If you can park at the end and bring a chair or something up, we can haul him down the road. You're broken off. I could only copy last part. We have a patient on oxygen up here. If you can bring a chair up, we'll wheel him down. So you can wheel him down to that rep to 72. But you know we're going to get back out when we get in. Chief 26, engine 26-1. Command 26, engine 26-1. Engine 26-1, a drink.
That is all kicking.
Fire engine 26-1 on location.
I can't see me.
Engine 26-1, see if you can keep it off to the side. We're going to get the truck back here.
Oh, damn.
Engine 2031, help my engine lay back. Proceed back to the scene with your truck.
I don't see it.
Copy that.